Hey guys, it's James. It's Wednesday, May 27th. We got a rain a day or so ago. Water's up, back down. Supposed to get some more rain next day or so. So I'm out in it. I think I got something. Let's check it out. Kind of poked at it a little bit. Not sure if it's something or not. Yeah, a little wonky, but I believe that's a point. Yeah. Yep. Not the best, but the first thing I found past 3 hunts. Whether a scraper or a tool or something. So it was definitely welcomed. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, still Wednesday, May 27th. I think I walked up on something. Let's check it out. Looks like a blade or a pre-form. Yeah, might be broken, I'm not sure. It'll work, that's for sure. Kind of looks like Cortex there. Nice piece. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, still Wednesday, May 27th. It's coming through here. I've seen this reverse always bank out here. I don't remember seeing this stump here before, so I thought I'd look around. Well, guess what washed out? Looks like a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, dang on that tip right there. That's a nice corner nacho. Here's look like they're knocked off, but hey, that's a nice one. Nice and thin. Nice corner notch. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, it's James. It's Thursday. Hey guys, it's James here. It's Thursday, May 29th. Yeah, I've already rinsed them off. Picked them up. Got a double. I guess I accidentally stopped the recording in the middle. Anyway, let's check it out. See, I've already rinsed both of them off. It's second piece I seen, but I knew it was broke. This here was covered up. Definitely a point. Anyway, it happens. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, it's James. I just poked this out and picked it up where I realized, ain't that a shame? Yeah, it's a shame it's old junk stuff. It ain't no Artifact. Sure is a good faker though. Wah, wah, wah. Hey guys, it's James. It's Saturday, May 30th. I think I have a base sticking out. What's this? Anything? No. Okay. Let's check it out. See what we got. I don't know. Kind of looks like something. Oh, look at that. That's cool. I damn sure didn't expect to find that today. Just along the water's edge here, man. That is too cool. Stinger. Cool. I don't have a whole lot of small ones. Glad that tip was there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hey guys, still Saturday, May 30th. Yeah, I don't think this one's a faker. I don't know though, I've been faked out twice already. Anyway, let's check it out. It's in the waters where waters come through. Looks like a tip. Oh yeah, it's some sort of point. Comes to a pointy point anyway. It's one-sided. It's got ears. Probably a woodland point of some sort. Maybe a drill or something. I don't know. Definitely unipace. They used it for something. It's a piece of history. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. Bye. Hey guys, still Saturday, May 30th. I walking along this edge here. There's a tree down and it's forcing some of this, eroding some of this bank out. Underneath this tree, a bunch of gravel here. I'm poking this stuff along this, washed this shelf out, I guess. Poke that out. It's broke, but I'm trying to put it back. It was in there. Like that. All I seen was that edge. I didn't know what it was. Flipped it out. That's a nice tip. Big tip. Well, I hope I get the rest of that one to the house. No break. A big tip. Well made point. See, it's just washing that shelf out along there. That was up in there. Huh. Well, that's cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.